Blizzard and Cata, back in my day, they made 10 and 25 man the same difficulty, and they forced them to share the same lockout, which is shit. Blizzard during Classic Cata needs to remove this restriction, but keep all of the other features. Yeah, the gear should be the same, the difficulty should be the same, but they shouldn't share the same lockout. I still want to do 25 mans with my guild. I still want to be able to play those 10 mans with the boys. I still want to be able to bring in maybe an ult that's saved on 10 man into my guild 25 man. Maybe the team needs a healer, or we need someone to switch from a ranged DPS to a melee DPS for extra interrupts. But I still want to be able to make those choices, still want to have those options. Also, the pug scene will be far greater. Currently I'm playing on white main, and 25 mans are popping off, especially in normals. The normals are easy enough to facilitate groups to complete all of the content. Yeah, you're going to have like silly wipes on Rag or the Furrion. Pugs can't do the Furrion, they haven't a clue what they're doing. But the point is, opening up all of this content is far better for the game. And personally, I think separating the lockouts will just make everyone play more, have more fun, see more loot, and yeah, we're going to see way more legendaries, which is all positive. Well, anyway lads, later.